People ask me all the time how I became successful. One of the most important ways was staying safe online, not allowing people to see my information, using proxies. Today I'm going to show you how to use mobile proxies with GoLogin, which is the best tool to use if you're trying to run ads, if you're trying to do anything with social medias and you don't want people to see your IP. I'll show you exactly how to set it up with Proxy4U right now. But guys, disclaimer, I am making money online safely every single day. And if you're not, it's not something to be jealous about. It's something to make action on. Come and work safely online by using proxies. If you don't know what they are, I'll give you some tutorials. Let's go. So guys, on my screen, you can see clearly GoLogin on the left and Proxy4U on the right. Now, Proxy4U is where you're going to actually get your proxy. GoLogin is where you're going to use it so you can run whatever it is you're trying to do, ads on Facebook, Instagram, any of the above. All right, so let me show you first. First thing I'm going to do is log into Proxy4U. All right, guys, and inside of here, you're going to choose what plan it is you are using. Make sure you have contacted customer support, you've tested out with the 1 gig, and now you're buying your traffic through them. So we're going to go with mobile proxy today. Let's check this out. Okay, so for mobile proxy, it's going to come up with your details here. After this video, I will refresh the password. So if you're trying to log in, you're going to be mistaken. So guys, as we go down, this is the important parts. Now, next, on GoLogin, you need to make a new profile. Okay, this profile name, let's put test Feb. Okay, add it to a folder that you want. I want it to Proxy4U folder. Okay, and then the next part has overview, proxy, time zone, so far. So for the overview, guys, you choose which operating system you're on. For example, I am on a Mac Intel, okay, or a Mac ARM, whatever it is that you're trying to do. Okay, you need to make sure that you do choose the perfect operating system for you, because sometimes it could cause an issue. So then with the proxy side, it's easy, guys. All right, you're going to choose whether it's a HTTP or a SOCKS 5. That's the only two that Proxy4U do. It's the only two that you actually need ever, really, if you're doing proxies, unless you go really deep into this. And then your login and password. So back to Proxy4U to keep this simple. So if you want to do a default targeting, you can select the country of your choice. Okay, if you want to go through the target filters, you can also do this. With default targeting, let's just choose a country. Let's choose Brazil. Okay, with Brazil, we're then going to, you can exclude countries as well if you'd like. Okay, we're then going to choose our rotational interval. Now, with this interval, I always go, and this is just my preference, I always go sticky, which means that it's going to allow the intervals to run on a rotation for the sticky proxy. So every 30 minutes, and guys, you can change it if you want. Let's go with 60 minutes. Every 60 minutes, my rotation of my IP will change. So if, say, Facebook is saying, hey, you're doing too many friend requests, your IP will change, so they won't be able to say that, okay? And that's why you can make these intervals whatever you need, especially when you're choosing sticky. Now, one thing to note, this proxy list that comes at the bottom is every bit of information you need. Every single bit, okay? So as I go through, I'm going to show you where to put it. So for your login, okay, the login is these numbers all the way before the colon, which is 2 dots, okay? So all the numbers before the 2 dotted colon, that's going to be your login. Let me paste that in here. Now your password is going to be after the 2 dotted colon, okay, all the way until the @ symbol. Okay, the @ symbol, this one right here. So all of that before it, we're going to paste that in here. Okay, now you can change the IP URL for mobile proxy if you want. Okay, it's completely up to you. As I go through to the IP address, you can see here, okay, this is everything after the @ symbol up until the next colon, the 2 dotted colon. Okay, I'm going to put this in, and your port will be, depending on whether you choose sticky or rotating, okay, your port is going to be here. So ours right now is 10,000. Guys, with Proxy4U as well, you can change the port from anything from 10,000 to 20,000. It will still work. Okay, and then you're going to, let me move my face out of the way, check that proxy. That proxy says it is in Brazil. So let's create this and test and see if it actually works. All right, so you can see test Feb up here. We're going to run this proxy now and go login. Okay, until you get the view or the stop. We're now going to click view. And it's going to load up for us that browser using this proxy. So now, guys, we can come in here. Let's type in, I don't know. Let's just go, for example, Proxy4U. Okay, look how fast that is. Already loaded the web pages, anything you want it to do. So guys, it is super, super easy as well. If I go up here, what is my IP address? Okay, we're going to click on what is my IP address. And as this loads, it verifies that I'm a human being, guys. This obviously will have some issues if you don't choose your correct operating system. That's the only issues you can get. Okay, if you choose your correct operating system, it's wired to be absolutely perfect. So as we go through to what is my IP address, you're going to see here, here's my IP. Whereabouts is it? Okay, as if you could see that and zoom in, I'll get this zoomed in on the edit. You can see it says Brazil. Okay, so it is working absolutely perfectly. And that's it, guys. When you finish, simply click stop, okay, so you don't use all your gigabytes up. That's it, guys. That's all you need for Proxy4U. So if you haven't already got yourself the 1 gigabyte for free, guys, please do that. You're going to speak to the customer support, message them, say, hey, I want to test it. They'll allow you to test it with 1 gigabyte, and then you can decide what you want to pay. So, guys, Proxy4U is by far the best, and the prices are ridiculous. $2.50 for residential. Ones we just set up, $3.50 for mobile, $1.50 for data centers. This is money, yeah? There is no one else on the market that does it this cheap. To usually get it at $2.50, you have to buy 1 terabyte worth. On Proxy4U, that is just not the case. And that's why I'm so excited about Proxy4U. There you go, guys. Stay safe out there. Okay, hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell, we'll be notified. It's time to get Proxy4U and start using GoLogin.